Guys, October 26, 2022. Here I got a call from a guy. He's got a problem with the toilet leaking between the tank and the bowl. And been trying to get over there for a couple of days here now, and he's never around. I guess his wife's home today, so I'm going over there today and see if I can fix it for the guy. Maybe the bolts are loose or gaskets are bad. Who knows? Try to get you some shots. Looks like the nut broke right off. Did he try playing with it, your husband? He did a little bit.
I don't know.
I think there's no water in it.
I know he emptied it.
Yeah.
And I know I think he just tried to tighten that one, the one on the.
Yeah, we'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'll
side.
fix it right up for you. Okay. This is one of those. That's why I don't use the nuts there. The rubbers are fine. I just have to take these nuts out and put nuts and washers on the bottom. I'm just gonna double up one. Two washers and a nut. That's all we need. Wiggle it. Make sure it's tight. That's good. Looks like that flex is bad. I'm gonna put a new one. Kind of check valve in there. I don't like them. any better. Should be fine now. It's gonna be fine. She's not gonna leak anymore.